you struggling to make soft, lump-free ragi puttu? Today I'll show you my foolproof method that turns finger millet into the fluffiest, healthiest breakfast. Ragi or finger millet is a great calcium-rich breakfast for growing kids and also for adults who want to maintain strong bones, manage weight and sugar spikes. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're making a nutritious and delicious finger millet puttu, also known as ragi puttu. It's naturally vegan, gluten-free and packed with calcium. Ragi is one of the best plant-based sources of calcium, which is great for strong bones and teeth, especially for kids and women. Step 1. Moistening the flour. This is the key step. Get this right and your ragi puttu will be soft and fluffy. First, take 2 cups of ragi flour and sift to lighten the texture. Ragi is naturally gluten-free, so it's a perfect choice if you're avoiding wheat. Add 1 teaspoon salt to 1 cup boiling hot water and mix well. This will ensure that the salt is spread out evenly in the puttu later. Then pour the hot water little by little into the ragi flour and mix with a fork or spatula. This is the best method to get soft ragi puttu. A lot of people don't get this right. You should add just enough water to get a crumbly texture. Too much water and you will get a lump of sticky dough. Too little water and you will get dry powder that will not cook well during steaming. I use slightly less than 1 cup water. Once it is cool enough to handle, use your fingers to break the crumbs into smaller breadcrumb-like texture. This is my technique. Press the flour like this. It should hold shape. Then use a small bowl to break up the bigger crumbs. And now they are nicely crumbly and moist, not too dry and not too wet either. Tip: if you add too much water, it becomes dense instead of fluffy. Step 2. Steaming ragi puttu. This is a puttu maker used to steam puttu traditionally. But don't worry if you don't have a puttu maker. I'll show you an easy method to steam puttu with any steamer you have at home. In your puttu maker, layer coconut and ragi mixture alternately. Start with 1 tablespoon grated coconut followed by 3 tablespoons ragi mixture. Then add 1 tablespoon coconut and continue alternating. Ragi is rich in fiber, so it keeps you full for longer and may help with digestion. If you are trying to eat healthier or manage weight, ragi can be a great help to keep you feeling full for a longer time. The top layer should be coconut. Cover the puttu maker and place over the steamer pot. Steam over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until cooked and aromatic. Tip: you'll know it's done when steam comes strongly from the top. Steaming ragi puttu without puttu maker. Use any steamer that you have at home. Line the steamer tray with a cotton cloth. Then pour the ragi mixture into the tray. Now sprinkle a layer of grated coconut on top. You can omit the coconut if preferred, but it gives a better taste to the puttu. Steam for about 10 minutes, counting from the time the water starts boiling. Once it is cooked, remove from the steamer and serve. Step 3. Serving. Serve hot with spicy curries and coconut chutney. Today I have a sambar and soya chunk dry curry to go with the puttu. Avoid sugar or jaggery as it defeats the purpose of having a healthy breakfast. Ragi may help in managing blood sugar as it has a low glycemic index. It also releases energy slowly, which helps avoid sudden sugar spikes. Ragi is one of the richest plant sources of calcium, great for bones, kids, and overall health. Ragi is also a good source of iron and helps support energy levels. This easy steamed ragi puttu makes a healthy meal for breakfast or dinner. If you enjoyed this healthy recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy vegan recipes. Happy cooking! See you in the next video.